Have you ever been told, don't crack your knuckles, you'll get arthritis? Many people believe this, but it's actually a myth. The popping sound you hear when you crack your knuckles comes from tiny gas bubbles in the fluids around your joints. When these bubbles form or burst, they create that popping sound.
Scientists studied this for years and found no evidence that cracking your knuckle causes arthritis. Arthritis is a condition that can develop due to factors like age, genetics, injuries, or certain medical conditions.
So, cracking your knuckles doesn't lead to arthritis.
However, cracking knuckles often may irritate your fingers or annoy sitting next to you.